students. Hi everyone. Once again, welcome to my channel Competitive Maths by Balaji. Yes, today we are going to discuss part 9 of Prop 10 class. Okay, is about questions based on allegation method, and let us see allegation concept. Okay, yes, allegation concept. Let us discuss allegation concept by one example. Suppose you went to a market to buy a rice of two types. Suppose let's CP of type 1 rice is 50 rupees per kg and that of type 2 is 90 rupees per kg. Then find the ratio in which the two types of rice can be mixed so that by selling the mixture at rupees 75 per kg. Okay. Here the cost of each type of rice and mixture are known as entities. Okay, the values are known as entities. Since three entities units are rupees per kg, rupees per kg. Okay, so in such type of questions we can use allegation method. Let us see actual procedure. Suppose we bought type 1 rice. Quantity of type 1 rice is x kgs and the quantity of type 2 rice be y kgs. Okay, that is the quantity of type 1 rice is x kgs, type 2 rice is y kgs. Then total investment, that is CP of two types of rice, that is total investment. Type 1 quantity is x kgs, each kg is 50 rupees. So the CP of type 1 rice is 50x rupees and that of CP of type 2 is 90y rupees. So this is the total investment. Okay. Now we are making mixture with the help of these two type of rice, that is mixture quantity is x kgs of type 1 rice plus y kgs of type 2 rice. So quantity of mixture is x plus y kgs, and given that mixture is sold at 75 rupees per kg. Mixture is sold at 75 rupees per kg. Therefore, the total investment is x plus y of 75 rupees. Okay, these are also rupees. So that is equal to 75x plus 75y. But these two are investments, hence they are equal. That is 50x plus 90y is equal to 75x plus 75y. Transpose 50x to RHS and transpose 75y to LHS. 90 minus 75, that is 15y, which is equal to 75 minus 50, that is 25x. Yes. Consider the ratio of x is to y, which is 15 is 25. That is x by y equal to 15 by 25. 5 3s are 5 5s are. So the ratio of quantity of each type of rice to be mixed in the ratio 3:5. Okay. So which is actual procedure and lengthy process. Let us see allegation method. When the three entities are equal, then allegation is used on their units. Allegation is used on their units. Yes, allegation. The important thing is that Allegation is not a topic. It's not a topic. It's a method to solve the question. Okay? Yes. Type 1. Type 1 CP is 50 rupees per kg. And type 2 is 90 rupees per kg. And mixture cost price is 75 rupees per kg. And note that mixture is always, cost price of mixture is always mean value. CP of mixture is always mean value. That means it lies between 50 and 90. Why? Because we can't sold mixture less than 50 rupees and more than 90 rupees. So it is always lie between least value and highest value. Okay. Now consider the difference of 90 and 75, that is 15 rupees per kg. Consider the difference of 75 and 50, that is 25 rupees per kg. If we consider their ratio, we get quantity of rice of type 1 and type 2. Since when we use allegation on units, the denominator, we will get the ratio of denominator. Denominator is in terms of kgs, that denotes the quantity of rice of type 1. Therefore, the ratio is quantity of each type rice in kgs. In kgs. Yes, units are gets cancelled. 5 3s are 5 5s are. That is, to make mixture, these two type of rice can mix in the ratio 3:5. Okay. We get a simple answer and calculation by allegation method. So we will use allegation method instead of this method. Okay. Let us see questions based on this allegation method. In part 8 of profit and loss, we ended with 57 questions. So in this part, we start with 58th question. A trader had 2000 kgs of rice. He sold a part of it 10% profit and the rest at a 16% profit. So that he made a total profit of 14.2%. How much rice in kg did he sell at 10% profit? See here, the entities or units are equal. The entities units are equal since all are profit. So we can use allegation method. Yes. ఒక వ్యాపారి వద్ద 2000 కిలోల బియ్యం కలదు. అందులో కొంత భాగంను 10% లాభానికి మరియు మిగిలిన భాగంను 16% లాభానికి అమ్మాడు. మొత్తం లావాదేవీలో అతని లాభం 14.2% అయినా 10% లాభానికి అమ్మిన బియ్యం ఎన్ని కిలోలు? ఇక్కడ చూడండి, మూడు విషయాలు కూడా లాభానికి సంబంధించిన ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఇటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ పైన మనం అలిగేషన్ మెథడ్ ని యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. లెట్ us see the solution. Among the 2000 kgs of rice, some part is sold at 10% profit and rest is sold for 16% profit. And so that he made a total profit of 14.2%. Simply see the difference between 16% and 14.2%, that is 1.8%, and difference of 14.2 and 10 is 4.2%. Consider the ratio. Since percentage, decimal point, 6 3s are 6 7s are 42. The ratio is 3:7. The quantity is in kgs. This ratio is quantity of rice in kgs. Quantity of rice in kgs. That is, total quantity is 10 units. Total quantity is 10 units, which is given by 2000 kgs. 2000 kgs. So 0 cut, 1 unit value is 200 kgs. We have to find how much rice did he sell at 10% profit. The units of rice sold at 10% is 3 units. So 3 units value is 3 twos are 600 kgs. So the answer is 600 kgs. Okay. Next question 59. A wholesale dealer had 200 dozen of mangoes. He sold some of these mangoes at 20% profit and the rest at 10% profit. So he made 13% profit on selling all the mangoes. How many mangoes in dozens did he sell at 20% profit? Yes. ఒక హోల్సేల్ డీలర్ వద్ద 200 డజన్ల మామిడి పండ్లు గలవు. వాటిలో కొన్నింటిని 20% లాభానికి మరియు మిగిలిన వాటిని 10% లాభానికి అమ్మాడు. మొత్తం మీద అతను 13% లాభం పొందాడు. అయినా 20% లాభానికి అమ్మిన మామిడి పండ్లు ఎన్ని డజన్లు? Yes. Let us use the allegation on profit. Among the 200 dozens of mangoes, he sold some of these mangoes at 20% profit and rest are at 10% profit, so that he can avail 30% profit on the whole transaction. Simply consider the difference of 13 and 10 is 3%, and similarly difference of 20 and 13 is 7%. Consider the ratio, percentage gets cancelled. So total dozens are 200 dozens and total units are 10 units. That is 10 units are equal to 100 dozens. 1 unit is equal to 20 dozen. But we have to find the number of dozens did he sell at 20% profit. 20% profit units are 3 units. So 3 units value is 320 are 60 dozens. Okay, so answer is B. Next question, important one, 60th. A man buys 3 type 1 cakes and 6 type 2 cakes for rupees 900. He sells type 1 cake at a profit of 15% and type 2 cakes at a loss of 10%. If his overall profit is rupees 30, then find the CP of type 1 and type 2 cakes. ఒక వ్యక్తి రూపాయలు 900 పెట్టుబడితో 2 రకాల కేకులు కొన్నాడు. అందులో మొదటి రకం కేకులు 3, రెండవ రకం కేకులు 6 కలవు. మొదటి రకం కేకులను 15% లాభానికి, రెండవ రకం కేకులను 10% నష్టానికి అమ్మాడు. మొత్తం లావాదేవీలో రూపాయలు 30 లాభంగా పొందెను. అయినా మొదటి రకం కేక్ కొన్న వెల, రెండవ రకం కేక్ కొన్న వెలలు ఎంత? Yes. Solution. He bought 3 type 1 cakes and 6 type 2 cakes. Number of cakes of type 1 is 3, type 2 are 6. And he made a 15% profit on type 1 cakes and 10% loss on type 2 cakes. And overall profit is given in rupees. Let us convert it into percentage. Overall profit percentage equal to his investment is 900 rupees. So 900 is investment, nothing but cost price. Out of 900 he made 30 rupees profit. But we have to express it in percentage. So multiply with 100%. That equal 2 zeros cut. 3 tens are 3 threes are. That is 10 by 3% he made overall profit. Now consider difference. 15 minus 10 by 3. 15 minus 10 by 3. 3 15s are 45 minus 10. That is 35 by 3%. And difference of 10 by 3 minus of minus 10, that is plus 10. That is 10 by 3 plus 10, that is 40 by 3%. This is ratio of their CPs. Yes. Let us consider the ratio. Percentage, 3 gets cancelled. 5 8s are 40, 5 7s are 45. So Total units are 8 plus 7, 15 units. 15 units value is 900 rupees. Then 8 units value is, since 15 ones are 15, 15 6 are 90, so 60 rupees. 1 unit value is 60 rupees. Then 8 units value is 8 into 60, 480 rupees. And so 8 units value is 480 rupees. Cost of each cake of type 1 is 480 by number of cakes are 3. So 3 ones are 3 16s are 48 0. So cost of each cake of type 1 is 160 rupees. And type 2 units are 7 units. 7 units value is, since 1 unit value is 60, 7 units value is 420. So cost of each cake of type 2 is, total amount is 420 and we bought type 2 cakes are 6. So 6 7s are 42, 70 rupees. So that cost of each of type 1 and type 2 cakes are 160 comma 70. So answer is B. Okay. Last question of this class. 61. A merchant buys 2 items for rupees 7500. He sells one item at a profit of 16% and the other item at 14% loss. In the deal, he makes neither any profit nor any loss. Okay. In the deal, he makes neither any profit nor any loss. What is the difference between selling price of both the items? Or to find difference between SPs of both the items. ఒక వ్యాపారి రెండు వస్తువులను రూపాయలు 7500 కొనెను. వాటిలో ఒక వస్తువును 16% లాభానికి, మరొక వస్తువును 14% నష్టానికి అమ్మెను. మొత్తం లావాదేవీలో అతనికి ఎటువంటి లాభం గాని నష్టం గాని చేకూరలేదు. అయినా ఆ రెండు వస్తువుల అమ్మకపు వెలల మధ్య భేదం ఎంత? సొల్యూషన్. A merchant buys 2 items, first one, second one, for rupees 7500. He made 16% profit on first item and 14% loss on second item. And the whole transaction he made neither profit nor loss. That is 0%. There is no profit and no loss. Now 0 minus of minus 14, that is 14%. 16 minus 0% is 16%. Percentage gets cancelled. 2 7s are 2 8s are. So ratio of their CPs are in the ratio 7:8. Yes. And total CP of 2 items is 7500. Sum of the ratio, that is 7 plus 8, 15 units value is 7500. Then 1 unit value is 500. Okay. Yes, 1 unit value is 500 rupees. Then CP of the articles. First article CP is 7 units. So 7 units value is 3500. And CP of second article is 8 units. 8 into 500, that is 4000 rupees. But we have to find difference between their SPs. So consider their SPs. Yes. On first item, he made 16% profit. What is 16% of 3500? See here, 16% of 3500. 2 zeros percentage gets cancelled. 16 5s are 80. 8 is carry. 16 3s are 48 plus 8, 56. 560 rupees is profit. 16% of 3500 is 560. So add them. 4060 is the SP of first item. And similarly, he made a 14% loss. He made a 14% loss on second item. That is 14% of 4000. 2 zeros percentage gets cancelled. 14 4s are 56. Is also there is a loss 560. Yes. Profit is 560, loss is 560. Overall is neither profit nor loss. Yes. So 14% of 4000 is, we have to subtract 560 here. So 0 minus 0 0. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 5, that is 4. 3440 is SP of second item. The difference is 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 4, 2. So 40 minus 34 is 6. So difference is 620 rupees. Difference between their SPs is 620 rupees. So answer is C. Okay. Okay, students, this completes the part 9 of profit and loss. Okay, have a nice day.